back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ama if you're new here, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. For today's video, I'm going to be blow drying my hair. It's always nice to work with stretch hair as compared to this. It's easier to style and easier to braid, and I'm gonna be showing you how I do that using heat protectant, of course. And so let's dive into the video. So I'll be using this Revlon blow dryer for the first time. Everybody has been loving this, and so I thought, why not try it? So listen, if halfway in this video I hate this, I'm just gonna switch to my traditional blow dryer and comb. But I have a good feeling that this is going to work. I'm gonna put the exact name in my video description. I don't currently remember off the top of my head, but I will make sure to put that in the description. So definitely check it out if you end up loving this product. We'll see if I love it. We'll see. I'm so excited to do it. So my hair is freshly washed. There is no product in it. It is simply dry. Like, there's nothing on there. So we're gonna start from scratch. When I'm blow drying my hair, I love to work in sections because it's easier to see which part I've done and which parts I haven't, and also easier to work with. So I would definitely suggest section your hair before you blow dry it. It just makes things so much easier. And so I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair. Since my hair is freshly washed and there's no product in it and I'm about to section it off, I like to put in just a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to make my hair softer before I section it off, because I don't want to break too much hair. Like, I already lost a lot of hair in the shower. Like, let's try to avoid that. Not a lot of product though, but just a little bit. And I like to use this Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner. This is the truth. I love to use this product. Like this. Get it. I just put a generous amount throughout my hair. My hair is still slightly damp since I just washed it.
What is this and what are we now facing? Got me thinking, got me losing patience. Always danger on the line.
So now that the leave-in conditioner is all over my hair, I'm gonna start sectioning off my hair. You can make as many sections as you want. You can do 4, you can do 6, whatever works for you. Do whatever works for you.
What is this and why are we still trying? What's the point when we know we're lying? We got caught just rebels defying. So what are we right now? What are we? Oh, we're up to our knees. Oh, you tangle with me. Never thought we'd ever have a moment.
So I've created uneven sections. I don't really care for how neat they are. This is just to help me know which part I'm working with, if I've applied heat protectant, all that stuff. You can take your time and create even sections if you want. I don't really care, so this is what I'm gonna work with. I don't wanna stress myself out. The heat protectant that I'll be working with is this one. You can use whatever heat protectant works for your hair. This is the one I will be using for this video. So I'm gonna start with this bottom section here. And I'm gonna take my heat protectant and spray it all over.
We'd ever have a moment, get lost, even in the open. Oh, oh, oh. What are we? What are we? What are we? What are we?
So the heat protectant is all over. And we're gonna use this.
What is this and what are we now facing? Got me thinking, got me losing patience. Always danger on the line. Though the fear has made us wise. What are we? What are we? What are we? What is this and why are we still trying? What's the point when...
Preliminary thoughts. Smells like it's burning.
Oh, jump scare.
Not my hair, just the product. It might be because it's new. It's definitely not my hair. It just smells like plastic, you know? And I don't like it.
Never thought we'd ever have a moment. Get lost, even in the open. Oh, oh, oh. What are we? What is this and how are we still standing? Every time we crash and burn on landing. Always.
Okay. I am liking it so far. It's super easy. I don't feel like my hair is tearing or anything. I like it so far. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. I love it.
Oh, you tangle with me. Never thought we'd ever have a moment. Get lost, even in the open. Oh, oh, oh.
This is what it's looking like. We're gonna do the rest. We're gonna do all the other sections. I'm so excited. That section is kind of big, so I might make it into a tinier section. Just realized that it is huge. You know what's crazy? I feel like when I was younger, the hairdressers never actually put heat protector in my hair. That is actually wild to me now, like wild. But my hair was really healthy, so
Has made us wise. What are we? What are we? What are we? What is this and why are we still trying? What's the point when we know we're lying? We got caught, just rebels defying. So what are we right now? What are we?
I just tied the part that I did just so it doesn't mix with the rest of my hair. I forgot to do that, so do that.
You tangle with me. Never thought we'd ever have a moment. Get lost, even in the open. Oh, oh, oh. What are we? What is this and how are we still standing? Every time we crash and burn on landing. Always searching for a sign. Though we get it every time. What are we? What are we? What are we?
I have this whole section to do.
We're up to our knees. Oh, you tangle with me. Never thought we'd ever have a moment. Get lost, even in the open. Oh, oh, oh. What are we? What are we? What are we? What are we?
My arm hurts.
This and what are we now facing? Got me thinking, got me losing patience. Always danger on the line. Though the fear has made us wise. What are we? What are we? What are we? What is this and why are we still trying? What's the point when we know we're lying? We got caught, just rebels defying. So what are we right now? What are we? Oh, we're up to our knees. Oh, you tangle with me. Never thought we'd ever have a moment. Get lost, even in the open. Oh, 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 what are we? What is this?
So this is what it looks like after I have finished blow drying my hair. I must say, I love this product. I don't know why it's taking me so long to get this, but please get this if you haven't. Don't be like me, get this. My arms still hurt, but it definitely took me less time to stretch out my hair than it usually takes me when I use my regular blow dryer and comb. And so I will be using this product from now on. Like, why didn't I get it before? As usual, I'm gonna put all the products that I use in my video description, so please check it out if you want to see the products I use or if you want to purchase them yourself. If you think this video turned out great, don't forget to give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment, and I will make sure to reply your comments. And if you want to see any specific videos from me, please let me know in the comment section. And if you want to leave me a compliment, do so in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Definitely check out the other videos on my channel if you haven't. Do that. And thank you so much for watching. I will be back with more videos.
Got me thinking.